On Monday, March 10th, the unveiling of the St. Kitts and Nevis branded Intercaribbean Airways took place at the Robert L. Bradshaw International Airport. The event, attended by members of cabinet, representatives from Intercaribbean Airways, tourism officials, members of the media, and tourism stakeholders, marked an exciting new chapter in the nation's growing influence in regional air travel. The partnership between St. Kitts and Nevis and Intercaribbean Airways began on March 12, 2023, with the airline's inaugural flight to the destination, marking the beginning of a strengthened regional air connection. I'm Andre Huey for SKN Newsline.